Okay guys, let's open the reorder, and J&T just delivered today. At atin siyang bubuksan guys, kung it's worth ba na mag-order tayo dito sa anong klase ng Guangdong, China. From China pala. All is made in China. So it will cost 40.67. Okay. So it's 71.14 dirhams. Everything's there. Lahat po yan nandyan. In order ko ay storage rack. What else? Monitor. Cotton knit women's panties. And one pot grinder. And one scraper. Okay. Let's check. Alright. Let's open. Okay. The first is this one. Every time I use because lagi tayong timbangan. See, I have already timbangan, so that scale. What is called this one? Is electronic luggage scale. Yung mga nagbibiyahe guys na kung kailangan nila to lagi, every time they will use ang timbangan. Okay, what else inside? This garbage. Okay, let's check. This one need the battery, something like that. There. Okay. Oh my god, why I removed that? Dapat pa na hindi man niremove yun. How to remove? Okay, let it be. Okay, this is one. Next. Oh, yes, you know what's this? Ano ba kung ano ito? Para din sa foot na nalalayo, natapak-tapakan. Guys, look. Dapat pala dalawa. Nakakiliti naman. Ganyan siya. Massage. See? Okay, that's good. Diba? Kala ko siya malambot. Hindi pala. Okay, next. Okay, the other one. Oh, this one for the scraper. Sa mga yung pag magluluto sang cake or something like want to cut. Okay, next tayo. Ito lang pala, one piece. Lagaya ng sabon, shampoo and everything there. I hope it will stick on the toilet. Okay, next. What else? Oh my god! And all the panties and everything. Let's check. Panties reveal. It's a large one. Oh my god. It's a nice one. But one. I thought it's only 2 piece. It's a lot. 3, 4. Apat pala siya, guys. And all the color I don't want. Dapat pala in order ko is medium. Sa? It's nice. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. The color mo lang red. Oh my god. This one looks nice, but I don't think I can use it. But need to wash first. Magwawash muna siya. Kasi we don't know where it came from. And then we can use it. You have to wash it first. Okay. That's all. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 piece. And no more. Oh, I still have more inside. What else? Ah! Ito palang pangkuskus sa paa. Sa mga may kalyo. Sa mga may kalyos. Okay. Okay, kasi wala na sa akin doon. Sa mga kalyos-kalyos. Ito sa mga look. Yan, mga kalyo, guys. Ayan. Diba? Oh, nawala na. Oh my god, it's very nice. Unique. Yan, atas ng kalyo na yan. Oh. Tanggal na. Oh. Nice. Pero ito, tatanggal din ito. Okay? That's it, pansit. Thank you sa video for today. Bye. Okay. Peace, man. Peace.